Hi guys, this is Ankur Pathak, and in this tutorial I will be talking about how to install Java on Windows. Use the browser of your choice and go to google.com and search for Java 8 download. Follow the first link you get on the Google or search engine, and you will be redirected to the Oracle websites, and on this website you will see the various installers available for Java depending on operating system and processor architecture. Accept license agreement, and depending on your operating system and processor architecture you will be downloading the installer from here. I am on Windows and my processor architecture is 64-bit, so I will be downloading the installer for 64-bit Windows. And if you want to know your processor architecture on Windows, you can go to My Computer, Properties, and have a look at this system type. And for my machine this says 64 based processor, so my system architecture is 64-bit. And on 64-bit machines you can also download the installer for 32-bit, and it will definitely work. But if you want to get a good performance, better performance, it's better if your processor architecture is 64-bit, go for 64-bit installer. So I will be downloading this installer over here, which is for 64-bit Windows, and I will not be downloading it as I have already got it downloaded on my machines, and it's available on my desktop over here. So let me show you how to install it. Okay, double click the installer, press yes, and it's a very simple installation process. You just need to press next, and it's a two-step installation process. First it will install JDK, Java Development Kit, and the next it will install JRE, Java Runtime Environment. If you want to do development, you need Java Development Kit, JDK, and if you just want to run Java applications, you need JRE, Java Runtime Environment. So press next, and you can change the installation directory over by pressing change. And if you don't want to change it, you can keep it default. I will keep it default. Press next. Now it's installing JDK. First step of the installation process. Okay, now it has started installing JRE. So again it's asking you for installation directory. If you want change, you can change it. If you don't want, keep it default. Press next and wait for it to get finished. Close. So now you have successfully installed Java on your machine. But in order to use Java for development purpose, you need to set couple of environment variable. So the environment variable we are required to set is Java_home. So in order to set that environment variable, let's first go to the installation directory of Java. So okay, fine. Depending on the installer you have downloaded, 32-bit or 64-bit, it will be installed in either of these two directories, provided you haven't changed the installation directory while installing the installer. So if you have downloaded 32-bit installer, it will get installed in program files x86, and if you have downloaded 64-bit installer, it will get installed in program files. So I have downloaded the 64-bit installer. I have installed the 64-bit installer, so it will get installed in program files. Go to the Java directory, I have already got other versions of Java installed on my machines, and currently I have installed Java 8, so I will be going to JDK 1.8 directory and copy the address of this directory from this address bar. We will be requiring it for setting the Java underscore home environment variable, and this directory is nothing but the Java underscore home. So minimize the windows and go to my computer, properties, advanced system settings, environment variable, and create new environment variable. And the name of the environment variable is Java underscore home, and copy the address which you have copied from the address bar as a value of this environment variable. Luckily I have already got this environment variable set on my machine, so I will not be pressing OK, I will be pressing cancel. You have to press OK. You can have a look it over here. Yeah, I have got it set already on my machine. Fine. Okay, fine. Next thing you need to do is you need to add this bin directory in the Java underscore home to your path environment variable, so that these various executables will be available on your command shell, which is command prompt in case of Windows. Fine. So again go over here and search for environment variable path and press edit. It will already be having some value set at as its value. Don't disturb it, and just press semicolon at the end of the value and type percent Java underscore home percent. Well, by typing percent Java underscore home percent, we are referring to the environment variable we have already set, Java underscore home. And at the end of this environment variable, we need to add the bin directory. So type the path separator in Windows and type bin. And at the end of the bin, type semicolon. I have already got it set, so I will not be pressing OK. I will be pressing cancel. You have to press OK. And if you are having problem in seeing the value of this environment variable, you can copy this whole value and you can go to Notepad and paste it over here. And now moving your cursor, you can easily have a look at this, the value which is already present. And look it over here, I have already got it set on my machine, so I will not be pressing again, setting it again. So minimize the window and press OK. I will be pressing cancel as I have already got it set. OK, OK, fine. Now in order to verify that whether our installation is correct or not, you can go to command prompt and you have to see whether all those executables which was present in that bin directories are working fine or not. In order to verify it, let's check for one executable, which is Java interpreter Java dash version. Well, if you get an output like me, then your installation is successful. And if you are having problem in getting this output, I will request you to again play the video, follow the steps as described by me, and definitely you will get success. And you can also verify whether Java compiler is working correctly or not. So it's working fine. So that's it for now. Wait for my next tutorial. Till then, happy coding.